Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. So this came, it came the same day. I ordered it early in the morning and, well, it got here at night. So this is it right here. Extreme Pro Portable SSD, 2 terabyte, 2000 megabytes transfer. I'd like to get the Hollywood Orchestra by East West, the Opus Edition. And I don't have enough room on my internal SSD drive, so I want to see if this thing will actually work for it. We will soon find out. Let's just take a peek and see what this thing's actually like. All right. Can't believe how small these drives are now. That's unreal. Okay, it's in there pretty good. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's the size of it. Man, that's really a small little drive. Okay, so it comes with, of course, the drive like this, an instruction booklet, it looks like, and 2 types of cables. One that goes from USB to USB-C to USB-C. The other one that goes from USB-C to USB, I think it is A, or whatever that ending happens to be. So anyhow, the next thing is to hook it up to my Mac Mini and see if this works. This seems so small. I can't believe this thing is like this compared to like the other hard drives I have. Anyhow, now to go and see if this thing works. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.